To open the maintenance flap, release both the locking levers located behind the outer edge of the grille, one after the other, in an inward direction. Gently swing the flap upwards. Items located behind the maintenance flap include the coolant expansion tank, engine oil filler, windscreen washer reservoir, the pollen filter and bug screen. In the unlikely event the coolant needs topping up, be extremely mindful that the cooling system is pressurised, particularly when the engine is warm. If you open the expansion tank cap, you could be scolded if hot coolant sprays out. There is a risk of injury. Ideally, let the engine cool down before you open the cap. Wear gloves and eye protection. Open the cap slowly to release the pressure. The engine oil filler cap is black, with the symbol of an oil can moulded into its top, and it is located to the right in front of the radiator. A display in the dashboard will alert when the engine oil needs topping up. The windscreen washer reservoir is located to the far right of the cabin. The cap has a windscreen washer symbol moulded into the top. Your Mercedes-Benz Actros has a sturdy metal bug screen in front of the radiator, and periodically may require the bugs being blown out with an air hose. The pollen filter is located at the top left centre and can easily be removed for cleaning or replacement. To remove the filter, slide the yellow locking tab into the unlock position, then remove the cover and pull out the filter. To replace the pollen filter, insert it into the slot and replace the cover panel, ensuring to secure the yellow locking tab into the lock position. To close the maintenance flap, gently pull it down until you hear the latches click in the locked position.